Okay, it's solar day today, and I'm going to be holding it because I got lots of goodies here that came in. First, I'm going to start with these batteries here. I have the LightCatcher solar panels, very nice quality, and they are now have solar-specific AGM batteries made for solar, not UPS type batteries adapted for solar. Absolutely says AGM on it. Non-spillable, maintenance free, which I like. 50 years of mechanic. Pretty much don't want to be messing around with stuff anymore. So I do love the AGM. I don't have to look after them. They say that this is made, it's a constant current, and some days without being charged, when you don't have the light, it's not going to bother these at all. Comes with your float charge settings, cycle charge, that would be your bulk charge. And I've got one NPP battery that I've been using, and this I'm upgrading. Yeah, let me turn that. This is that didn't go too smooth. You're 13 inches long here. That's an inch longer than the NPP that I've been using, so it's definitely bigger. 9 inches tall this way, 7 inches across, and your width, so it's definitely a bigger battery. I have 3 of them right now. I'm just waiting more cash next month. I'm gonna have 4 of them, and this is my stand that I made. It's a for moving furniture. It came 2 of them for like $30. So I used some of the cross brace from one of them, put it in the center, added 2 more wheels to it, added some more cross bracing, and I'm going with 3/4 inch plywood, sanded on one side. Okay, get up here now. Let's see, where else can we go here? Got a lot of goodies, don't I? Well, of course, I've got the NPP 60 amp PCM 60X. No fans, just a big old heat sink right there. And the way the bracket, it's already lifted up enough, and you don't have to jury rig brackets or anything. Comes with the holes in it. I like that. Computer cable, battery temperature. This is the wire that comes with it. It's a that goes down to your batteries. It does the sensing of the voltage at the batteries, which is good. I'm going with 4-aught, or big old 4-aught for the excuse me. That's the battery cables there. I'm going 4-aught, big as you can go. And I bought a big 25 pieces in a bag here, which gives you one extra, but then I got the 1/4 inch hole in it, Since these batteries, they all seem to come with metric. Because these come in American size. So 1/4 inch is just a tad smaller than the bolt, and just drill it out just a little bit. That way you can make it perfect. So that's why I did that one. And when you buy these, you want to buy UL listed, or it'll say marine grade. That's how you pick your connectors. That will tell you got the good stuff. Okay, ferrules. Definitely going to go with ferrules on the end of the wires. 4 gauge, 8 gauge. These will 4 gauge wire goes to your battery. That'll be for these going down to your battery. That's, you put that ferrule on the end, your wire's not going to smush out, and so it's just a better quality setup. So I do recommend doing those. A couple of fuses, or circuit breakers actually. I got some sucky light coming in the window, kind of messing things up, so I'll hold it up here. There you go. A nice big thick quality. This is marine grade stuff here. I'm not a rich dude, but I like buying the good stuff. You buy it once, you don't have to worry about it. I'm in an apartment, so I definitely don't want no fires. If you bring your own house down, that's one thing, but so I'm very cautious and safety minded. Well, okay, well, yeah, we'll go there. 2 different sizes on the ends on the that's for the 4 gauge wire back here. Bought a couple vents for the box. Keep a little airflow going into the box, so there's a chance you can get some fumes off of it, but not very likely. But I'm going to vent it anyways. I'm sure these batteries are like my air conditioning, just like I do. Let's see. Yes, I'm gonna try these here. I got 2 different sizes. This is a 300 amp, so I don't have to be drilling a bunch of holes in my wood, and a little more professional looking. That's what I'm going for. Doing things right. That'll be like that'll be for the inverter. The inverter will go through these, and then this will go from the controller. I forget what kind of amps those will hold. I forgot what they are specifically. Then I bought a couple of these here. Your fuse goes on here. Just so that I don't have a gaggle of things on one bolt. I bought these. I'm gonna. You can pretty much hook anything you want to these. They got some long bolts to them, so. And you can also use the fuse on it, which I have one there. Let's see, what do we got over? Well, this is for the hooking up my computers. This is the charge controller. It comes with a program, and you can program your all your little specific things on your computer. And I have many computers. I bought a lot of different adapters. I got all bases covered there. So that's a good old Elmer's wood glue. So I guess I just need to finish up the wood cutting. Try to cut it straight. I've got to go over to Fred. He's got a table saw, so that way I can get the wood a little straight. And so when I get it all back together, a little farther on the project, I'll put up another video here. Like I say, check out these batteries. I've seen them, and I really like their solar panels. So yeah, this is a battery I'm definitely going with here. I do like the AGMs. So, all right, thanks for watching, guys.